Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to recover deleted WhatsApp status. Before we get the answer, let us learn what status on WhatsApp means. WhatsApp status enables you to send media files, texts, etc. Updates that vanish after 24 hours and are encrypted from end to end. You and your phone contacts must have each other's phone numbers in your address books to send and receive WhatsApp status updates to and from each other. Since WhatsApp introduced this feature, there has been a common question floating across the internet: how to see deleted WhatsApp status. Thus, we decided to share some tips with you. Check out this portion if you are wondering how to see deleted WhatsApp status. Understand that WhatsApp doesn't have a built-in feature for reading deleted messages. Thus, you need to download a file manager app if you do not have a native one on your Android device. Here's how to do it. Visit File Manager to view hidden files. Go to the File Manager. Click on the WhatsApp folder, and then click on the Media folder. Then click on the option and choose to show hidden files. Now, change the name of the folder which appears as status and remove the first dot. All folders that start with a dot will hide, so removing it will become visible. And finally, navigate to your Photos gallery and view the pictures or videos used early for status by anyone. You can now access any previous watch status, even those from a few weeks ago, by going to your gallery. To download deleted WhatsApp status, you can either go to your file manager in the WhatsApp folder menu option and open the hidden status folder and download status media files on Android, or use WhatsApp to view and download WhatsApp status. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching these videos, and see you guys for the next videos.